Welcome back to Purposefully AI, where we turn artificial intelligence into actual income. Today, I'm revealing 5 ChatGPT prompts that made me over $300 on Fiverr in my first week. This channel is all about simple, repeatable ways to make money with AI tools. Grab a notebook, because I'm about to hand you 5 prompts you can copy and paste today. Fiverr clients don't care how you do the work. They just want something fast, polished, and done. Each of these prompts lets you deliver quality work in under 10 minutes and charge anywhere from $20 to $75 per order. First up, Etsy product descriptions. Sellers on Etsy need descriptions that make their handmade products pop. This is a high-demand gig. Here's the exact prompt. You are a creative Etsy copywriter. Write a 3-paragraph description for a handmade product type. Include emotional language, sensory details, and a clear call to action. ChatGPT gives you a polished paragraph instantly. I packaged mine as a neat PDF and charged $25 per gig. Quick, clean, consistent income. Prompt number 2 is for social media captions. Everyone needs captions. Brands, influencers, even small cafes. This is a huge market. Try this. Write 10 short, catchy Instagram captions for a brand type. Keep each under 15 words, mix in emojis, and make them comment-friendly. You can bundle 10 to 20 captions for $20 to $40. Add a little flair, match their tone, and you've just turned 10 minutes of typing into another paycheck. Moving on to prompt number 3, blog intros and outlines. Content agencies love this one, as it provides the foundation for their articles. Use this. You are an SEO strategist. Create a click-worthy blog title, intro paragraph, and outline for a 1,200-word article about topic. Keep it friendly and include keywords. This gives clients the structure they need. I charged $40 each and often upsold the full blog later for double that. This is the hidden gem. Email sequences for small businesses. Local businesses are desperate for quick, friendly campaigns. Here's the prompt. Write a 3-email sequence for a business type promoting special offer. Each email should be 150 to 200 words and end with a clear call to action. Drop in subject lines and a short delivery note. It looks professional, takes 15 minutes, and pays $50. Finally, prompt number 5, short video scripts for Reels and TikToks. Creators always need fresh ideas for engaging content. Here's the prompt. You are a social media scriptwriter. Write a 30-second hook-based script for a topic. Include an attention-grabbing first line, 3 quick value points, and a closing call to action. People pay around $30 for each one. You can upsell AI voiceovers or text-to-video clips for extra income. For delivery, pick one niche, set up 3 packages, and let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. Collect details, polish the output, and deliver professionally. Your action plan. Pick a prompt, post your first gig tonight, and use ChatGPT to fulfill it fast and professionally. Don't forget my free guide, 10 AI prompts that pay, linked in the description.